In this video, I'm going to show you how to monetize your YouTube videos. Hi guys, it's Raven Shade, the marketing queen. Let's get it. The first way to monetize your YouTube videos is with affiliate marketing. You can become an affiliate of a company like Amazon, and you can actually start reviewing products from Amazon. And when people see your review and they actually like the product that you're talking about, you can add a link, a custom link from Amazon that they give coded directly to you. You can add a link in your description, and when people click on that link and they actually go to Amazon and buy, you get the commission as long as they buy within 24 hours of clicking the link. That's called affiliate marketing. There are tons and tons of companies like that where you can get affiliated with, and they'll give you a custom coded link directly to you. And then you can talk about products and services all day on your YouTube channel, and you can get paid after they purchase through your link. That's called affiliate marketing. The second way you can monetize your YouTube channel is with sponsorships. Once you're in a certain niche on YouTube and you're doing certain things like hair, fashion, beauty, tech reviews, or any type of niche that you're in, you have the opportunity to get sponsorships. What that means is companies have the opportunity to contact you and offer you a fee to promote their product or services on your page. That's called a sponsorship. When they pay you to do a specific video around their product or service, that's a sponsored ad. So then you can get paid. You can set your price and tell them how much you'll charge them to do the video. And that's another way you can monetize your YouTube videos. The third way that you can monetize your YouTube videos is with your own product or services. You can start your YouTube channel and talk about your own product or services and monetize in that way. As long as people are watching your videos, you never know how many people you can reach and talk about your products or services on your channel. The fourth way that you can monetize your YouTube videos is with Google AdSense. Do you need an auto, business, personal, payday, or mortgage loan? Go to loanfinderusa.com and select your loan option today. Everybody wants to hear this, Google AdSense. We all know, well, most of us know that Google owns YouTube. So once you get 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time, the 4,000 hours have to be in 1 year. Once you get those requirements, then you're able to qualify to join Google's AdSense partner program. And that means, you know, those ads that you see on people's videos while you're watching, those ads that play on people's channels, you can get paid a percentage of those ads. People have to watch the ad for a certain amount of time for you to get paid, but that's another way that a lot of YouTubers monetize their YouTube channels. So you can possibly do the same. Okay, guys, that's all I wanted to talk about today. Those 4 ways to monetize your YouTube channel. Have a great one, and don't forget, click like, subscribe, and share this with your friends. I'll be posting weekly with finance, marketing, and self-improvement tips. So have a great one, and don't forget, subscribe to my channel. Have a great one. Bye-bye.